Okay, so I'm going to change out the spark plugs on my truck today. I also have to change out the battery. This one's going dead. So I picked up a new battery here. This one's actually more powerful too. It has 800 cold cranking amps and 1000 just regular cranking amps. And this old one here only has 630 cold cranking amps and 785 regular cranking amps. So hopefully this new battery will work better in cold weather. This one too, it keeps going dead. I have to charge it every few days and then it just dies out. So it's time for a new battery. So there's that. And I'll do a startup and see if the truck sounds any different with new spark plugs compared to like old ones. Okay, so the engine is cold. It's about -5 out here today, so not all that cold. But let's see here. The new battery. Started smoother. With the old one, it would kind of and then start. Heat off. Okay, so there's the new spark plugs I got. 8 of them, just, V8. Dump them out of here. So, NGK, and they're platinum. I don't know if that's really any better or not. These are the type that are in there right now, though, so I'm just getting the same ones. And then I got, where'd it go here? Oh, here it is. I also got this little spark plug gapping tool to check the gap on here. They say that you don't have to, like they're supposed to be pre-gapped, but I checked them and 3/4 of them were not set right. So I did that, and then I'll show the old plugs here. We'll put the new ones in and see how the truck runs, if any different. Oh, okay, good, it is in there. See here. Oh yeah, good. It's in there nice. Okay. Ooh, that one I might want to clean a little bit of that shit out of there. Yeah, it's in there. Okay. Right, so, let's see in there. Okay, so I got the new spark plugs in on each side here. There's a lot of corrosion around them. I had to wipe with a rag. Bunch of rusty corrosion. And then those spark plug wires, some of them were really on there. Same with the spark plugs. Like, yeah, they were really on there good. So, took a little while. Went and did a few other things too. So the truck is like absolutely cold. Like it's been like a few hours since I started it there. So see if it sounds any different and if it starts any different. Nice new battery. Right on. Okay, there's all the old spark plugs. They're not terrible, but they're getting old. Like some of them here are worse than others. But Anyways, it's time for new ones. At least then I know that they're new, you know, nice and fresh in there. Good to go. Okay, let's see how it starts. Oh, started up a little easier. Last time there I had to try it twice to start. This time it just brum. Right on. See, it's idling a bit high because it's cold, but oof, chilly. Let's turn on the heat here. Alright, I'll get out and do a little walk around. It'll even be a little bit better on gas, but we'll see here. Either way, at least they're nice and fresh in there. There's a few things I want to fix on this truck yet, but I'll get to it little by little. Okay, so again, there's the type of spark plugs I used for this truck. It's the same type that were in there before. These ones, you get 2 of them in each pack, and they're $12.99 a pack. And I needed 8, so that's not too bad, just for regular maintenance. At least then I know they're fresh. So, alright, I guess that's it. It still is cold, so. Kind of neat to see too, does it go through less gas?